This is really exciting. We have our first seeds germinating on the farm. One of our biggest goals is to keep the soil covered at all times. And so in order to do that, when we tilled up the field and opened it up, we had to get a cover crop down. And November, it can be a little risky to actually get something to germinate because, I mean, my daughter was born 10 years ago in November and it snowed when we brought her home from the hospital. And here we are on a beautiful November day. And look at this. This right here is an Australian winter pea that has sprouted. I love their resilience. I mean, not even in the ground, and it is just reaching to dig its roots down in there. These little seedlings are putting their roots down and they're getting established before the snow comes. We actually had our first frost this morning, first killing frost. Our dahlias are now done, and here we have seedlings growing.